Good morning. I've got a dash cam through that I'm gonna hook up and review. It's been a long time since I did a dash cam review, but the Super Eye dash cam and actually the one before that were really good posts. They had a lot of interest. But today we're taking a look at a dual 4K front and rear. So the technology has moved on a lot, and they're really good to have dash cams, but a lot of people still don't have them or use them. Very good in showing problematic driving. They link up better with apps as well these days, so you can control your footage a lot better. If you do get into an accident, the big saving is having some proof of what actually went on. But this is branded GKU, and I'm going to show you what's on the box. Some contact info. This one comes from Amazon in the UK. Some basic specs, I'd say, but it looks like they've got a separate app, and then as well what we have is a connector kit. So yeah, I'm not sure how far I'm going to get through with the connection, because I'm not going to go mad drilling holes and things. And I think this is one of the issues with a lot of dash cams is they're just not easy to fit and require you to go and take your car to like an audio fitter or something. So anyway, let's carry on, have a look, see what's. That worked, didn't it? It'd be so good if the rear cam could just connect to the front cam. Installation guide. Obviously I'm going too fast, so you'll have to pause it. But it gives you an idea of, this is Type C hardwire kit. And there's an install video, I think I showed you that already. The connectors there. And there's a Type C interface. So that looks like a car fuse. That looks, yeah, so interesting to see what that is. The packaging's nice, some bold colour. User manual, quick start guide. I'll show you those shortly. We'll just go through what's in the box in a minute. What are these? It says paste this electrostatic film on the front windshield. Paste the bracket into this circular area. Okay, I don't know if you can see that very well. There was a dotted circular line. So we've got a rear camera and some extension cable. Car charger, crowbar, adhesive tape, cable sticker. There's a lot to install here. what's in here. Is this the front camera? I believe this is the front main camera, so that sticks straight to the windshield. Comes with a card pre-installed. There's a lock function there. Let's see what that just says for you. Oops. So the rear camera, much lighter, Type-C interface, and hopefully that would just require the routing of this to go through. So I'm not sure about the other connector kit and what that's used for, but I'm going to read up on it now and get back to you.